More grace, everybody.
More grace.
My name is Akan Efyong. I'm here to testify on behalf of my younger sister. For the past few months, I've been having nightmares concerning her. So I invited her to Benin to come for deliverance. She has been giving us excuses. So we were able to persuade her to come. That was on Monday. So when she came, we all booked for the family deliverance, and we were here yesterday. So after the deliverance, we went home. Exactly 5 minutes to 10, we were just sitting in our parlor discussing, when suddenly we heard a bird crying outside. So I was rebuking it. My mom was also rebuking it. Exactly 10 p.m., my sister just coughed out. Behold, something fell on her chest. Then she just ran up. I was like scared. What's the problem? What's the problem? She went inside. She said, Mom, see, come. Daddy, come. We all came out. There was no light in the house. So by the time we came out, we used our torchlight. Behold, we saw she coughed out worm.
Where is your sister, your younger sister?
She's in the congregation.
You are welcome, sister.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you heard the testimony your sister shared on your behalf.
Yes, sir.
What have you to say about that?
Sir, I traveled down from Akwa Ibom State. My dad asked me last month to come for the deliverance. Actually, I didn't want to come because of one or two things. So this month, they asked me to come. I was giving my dad excuses. I was just giving him excuses. I could remember my dad calling me on Saturday, 11:30 or so, and he told me he wants me to come to Edo State. I was like, is that why you are calling me now? He said, yes. I ended the call. My mom called me on Sunday. I ended the call. I just didn't want to travel. So I came on Monday, and I was at that place when we were praying. I will not lie, I prayed. I actually prayed. We got home.
That was yesterday.
That was yesterday, sir.
Good.
We got home, we ate. I was lying down, we were just gisting in the parlor, there was no light. But suddenly, I was not comfortable. I was feeling, something was, passing through my throat. So there was a water on the table that we used. I drank that water. It did not go down. And my mom was in the kitchen, she was frying fish. She said there is no light, so those things in the freezer, she was frying fish. I just didn't know how to explain to them what I was actually feeling. I went to the kitchen, I took one fish. I felt maybe, I ate overfeeding because of the deliverance session. I swallowed that fish. I drank water, but I was still not comfortable. It was as if the thing was coming out from my throat. Then suddenly a bird flew through the house. And the sound was very disturbing. I heard my sister, rebuking the bird, and my mom rebuked the bird. Suddenly that thing just, I just can't explain what happened. The thing just came, and the next thing I just gathered strength to cough it out. I coughed it out, it fell on my chest. It was like this, I saw this thing. It was moving on my body. I was shouting, I didn't eat Indomie. I was telling myself I did not eat Indomie. So the thing was, I threw it from my body. I ran to my dad's room. I called my dad. I called my mom. And when they were, if you can view it from my mini pad, you discover it was still dancing. The thing was still dancing. It was still dancing. I was like, how can you explain this kind of thing coming out from a human being? I'm not sick. I just can't explain what happened. But I believe this is part of my deliverance.